guys, and thank you for clicking on this video. I know you guys are probably wondering how I made this flower wall and how I got this neon sign. Well, basically, my flower wall, I got really inspired by Amber Show, who also is a YouTuber on here. She's so amazing with DIYs and stuff like that. I got so obsessed with watching her, watch her all the time. One of the videos that really caught my attention for the longest was the flower wall that she made. It was actually in front, no, not in front, excuse me, it's in the back of her apartment, and she made it like a wall or something like that. I decided to do it as a background and also put a neon sign just to use as my background for my videos, which you guys will see this a lot often from now on until I get tired of it. But yeah, so I really got inspired by Amber. That's where I really got this flower wall idea. Another person who may have similar is Time the Infamous. She's also a YouTuber. I also watch her too. I love her. Hers is a little different. There's no boxwood on hers. Amber does have boxwood, but mine have boxwood and flowers. No, excuse me. Amber didn't have boxwood either. So really, the boxwood idea I just came up with my own. I thought it would be cool to make it like kind of like realistic, but not really. So I just decided to just add the flowers on top of the boxwood, but there's many ways you guys could have done this too. You don't have to put it on I put it on Styrofoam. The boxwood, you could like click them together and stick the flowers through the boxwood also, but I just glued the boxwood onto the Styrofoam, and most of the flowers on here are glued onto the boxwood. Some are mostly, the stem is sticking, I stick the stem through the boxwood. So whichever you prefer, whichever you think is best for you. With the neon sign, I just basically went on Etsy and just looked for someone who does neon signs, and I will put the link in the bottom where I got everything from. I also even mention it in the video later on where I got everything from. Mostly everything is from Amazon except for the neon sign and the Styrofoam. So it'll be pretty easy. I'll probably make a list too on Amazon, so it'll be easier to just grab everything. But besides that, thank you. Keep on watching if you guys want to see how I made my background. I really like it. It took me a minute to finish, probably like 2 months. Not because I have a son, he's 6 months old, and so it was kind of hard for me to take care of him and then made this big background. But I did pretty good with the help of my boyfriend. So yeah, so keep on watching and thank you.